Fast. Okay, enter this car now. If you want enter now. If you don't want enter, me will come out. Enter this car now. Enter. See for me, enter inside. Okay, enter this car now. If you don't enter, come up for here now.
To enter motor now by force.
Okay, enter this motor now. Enter motor, they come out now. Enter car. If you don't enter, come up for here.
Every motor I see, I go enter.
Okay, now look at you.
Now by force, enter motor, they go now. Now by force, enter motor.
Enter this car. Enter this car.
Get this man.
Wait, guys, get this man here. Hey! Get this man. Hey! Get this man. Get that man. I believe my brother. Somebody help me. Hold on. Guys, get that man. Oh, you want him just to up here. Guys, hold on. Why are you running?
I should be asking you people, why were you chasing me? No, why are you people running after me? What did I do?
So you are running for nothing?
So you people are chasing me for nothing?
It's because you were running. That was the reason why we were chasing. So why were you running? What's the main reason why you are running?
Because I was running.
Yes.
Oh, why
are you running?
I should be asking you people, why were you chasing me? So you ran for nothing. Did I run for you people? I was running on my own. The run I run is my run. I was running for my life. Everybody in Nigeria are supposed to wake up in the morning and pick off. You're supposed, if you wake up in the morning, you take off, you run for your life. There are so many dangers on the way. There are so many things to run away from. I was running away from hardship. I was running away from family problems. I was running away from fake people here and there. I was running away from bloggers who end up saying negative things about their fellow human. I was running away from so many things. So you people were not running for anything. Just not now that you have run after me. So what? How much has it added to your account? I am asking all of you. How much has this run added to your account? Since you cannot use your teeth and count use your tongue and count your teeth. Look at our governors, presidents, the leaders of this country. They have scandalized everything that all of us own together. None is coming to us. You are supposed to wake up in the morning, see their convoy, and run after them. All you could do is run after your father. An elderly man that is running away from family problems. You people have one fine. You are done running. I'm ashamed of all of you. I'm ashamed of all of you. You call yourself leaders of tomorrow. You call yourself youth, yet there is no sense upstairs. This strength you use in running after an elderly person that did nothing to you, you can invest it in something lucrative. You can apply it in your daily living. Put it and run for your life to make ends meet. I am ashamed of all of you. In fact, Mekuna came me. I want to die in your hands. Kill me. If you know that running for your life is a sin, be the first person to throw your stones on me. Throw your stones. In fact, bro, Mekuna kill me. Let me die. Since you people are shameless, kill me. Everybody, one more. Kill me. Mekuna kill me. Kill me. Where are they? No, come and kill your father. Come and kill your father for running away from trouble. Ask him from come career statement. Come and go. It is not of he that runneth, but of he that was caught at the end of running. Me. Lazy, you two people are lazy around. The time you can use and invest to do something. Or this is you to sapia. Nobody is reasoning again. When you are supposed to run, you cannot run. Now that nothing is chasing you, almost 31 kilometers away from away to away. Nonsense. What nonsense? Lazy youth, lazy around. How can you be called a lazy youth? And you accepted it. You admitted it and you are living lazily. What has chasing me around to fetch you? How much has he put into your account? Chief Imo, you too talk. Chief Imo, you too talk. Why won't I talk? When things is not moving normal, what an elder saw, why sitting down? All of you cannot see it, even if you climb on the top of the mountain tree. I have said it before, and I will keep saying it. I can never keep quiet until the right thing is done. Go to social media, see what youths are doing. The time you will invest to do something lucrative, something better to better your life and family, you are using it on something that cannot fetch you anything. Nobody can think rightly again. You too. You too. Represent sense that at the time and the age of your exhibitant youth, God is interested. Our English comes from what I want. Oh, Jahuzira Kanabo, Emi Homa, Omelaya, Agame, Wera Kanabo, Eyan, Wanyeni, Elio, Jahuzira Kanabo, Emi Homa, Odawakatamo, Agame, Wera Kanabo, Eyan, Bakubaramuya Kamarama, Jahuzira Kanabo, Emi Homa, Adekele. Ọba tó bí okú